Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to remove payment method because active subscriptions on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to remove your payment method, but you're facing a disturbed pop-up error which is unable to remove, there's an active subscriptions on this account that requires at least one payment on file. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So basically it happens whenever you try to remove your account, but you have pending payments for your subscriptions. So let's see how can you fix that. So there's a direct fix or there's an indirect fix. So the very first you have to go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strong distance connection. Then go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go to VPN device management, try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. Then go back. I also recommend you how to try to reset your network settings. So if there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your iPhone network settings if there will be an issue with your iPhone network setting. It will be fixed in this step, and after that, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until this restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to go to your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID, and just select subscriptions from here. And here you have to see all of your subscriptions you have on your Apple ID. It might be paid or pending, so you just have to try to delete them, or you can also try to pay all of your pending subscriptions. And once you have done, your issue must have been fixed. I recommend you have to try to delete or remove all the restrictions or all subscriptions you have in your Apple ID, so you might not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.